Hey guys, what's up? I got some new stuff and I am going to do an unboxing for you. This is all stuff to help these vlogs go a little bit smoother. So that's what's going to happen. I got this box from Amazon and now I'm going to open it. Alright guys, the box is open. Let's see what we got. Alrighty. We got our mini tripod here. I'm most excited for this because I haven't been able to mount my GoPro to a tripod. So now I've got this flexible little tripod. Awesome. It's got the GoPro mount on the top, and I believe, hold on. Yes, perfect. This is what I've been waiting for. It is a GoPro to tripod converter, and so awesome. Tripod's pretty cool because you can bend it and do what you need to with it. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alrighty, that's the housing for the GoPro, so that it doesn't have to be in the plastic case. And this should be another replacement plastic case. Awesome. Excited to get to play around with all this stuff, but I'll do more of that in a little bit because it is lunchtime and I gotta eat and then get to work. So talk to you guys after I'm done with work because my night class got canceled. See you soon.